Today we're scootering around El Nido to find the best beaches.
So come and explore with us.
Hey guys, my name is Cheno.
My name is Alex.
And welcome to Cheno
Cheno
and
and
Alex.
Alex.
It's about 8 a.m. We are renting our scooter just for one day. It's costing us 500 pesos.
Yeah.
That's pretty expensive because in
Yeah.
other places it's 350. El Nido's busy. El Nido's popping and full of tourists, so it is what it is. Anyway, let's pick up our scooter and let's head out to the beaches. Alright you guys, we're not actually there yet, but we stumbled upon this road. We're kind of just trying to find that beach. But yeah, like I said, we stumbled upon this road and look at the beautiful palm trees behind me. They're kind of just layered. It feels like it's endless and it's so stunning with this type of lighting as well. And I love this about travel where you kind of just explore and find random places. Make sure you rent a scooter, stop everywhere you want to, and yeah, see it with your own eyes or capture it with your cameras.
Mami, ¿qué más? Hay algo en ti que me tiene mal. Una belleza que me quema. Cuando vaya, la nota me estalla. Mami, ¿qué más? Hay algo en ti que me tiene mal. Sé que anda puesta para.
Alright, so we just made it here at Dolarog Beach.
Yep.
And there's actually like a resort here. We're gonna show you what this place looks like because we found it on the map and we just
Yeah.
wanted to like check it out.
The views are insane. Let's go walk. You can probably see a little bit of this massive rock limestone, but right here is Dolarog Beach, so it's just a few steps. I think you can search it on Google Maps. Dolarog or Duralog? We're confused. We can't remember. Let's go check out the view. This is insane. Oh my goodness.
That looks so good.
This is nuts, you guys. So that massive island is actually Pinagbuyutan Island. It used to be one of the stops on the island hopping tours, but unfortunately it's been bought out. It's privatized now. We can't really go there. They might be building a resort there of some sort. Not too sure what's going on, but it's one of the most beautiful stops previously on the island hopping tours. But look at the incredible limestone mountain. That is just, it feels like it's out of this world every time we get close to Pinagbuyutan Island or any limestone mountains here in El Nido.
With you. You and me alone. Better than all the pictures on my phone. How could I not give in, baby? How could I ever say no? Too good to be true, but we're living our dream. Candlelight on the roof, but we're still in our jeans. It's you and I dancing the good life.
Here in Dolarog Beach, the water is so calm and pretty clear as well, so you can definitely swim here or just like chill and relax in the ocean without the crazy waves coming at you. But for this one, we do want to take some photos and videos of this famous jetty. If you can see it, is it called a jetty or like a... I always see photos and videos of this place on Instagram, but people never tag the place. We were kind of just searching on Google Maps trying to find the specific location, and so glad we finally found it. Alright you guys, so this is that famous jetty here that I've seen on social media. And then at the end you still got the view of Pinagbuyutan Island. That's why it's so, like, I guess it's so popular online, because honestly it's so crazy to see it with your own eyes. Obviously it doesn't translate as well on camera, but Pinagbuyutan is looking absolutely insane, like massive, and because we're a lot closer compared to staying further there, you can see more like details of the mountain itself. So Dolarog Beach is such a good spot for stop number one. Alright you guys, we're now walking on the boardwalk, the jetty, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it is so beautiful. Like, look at that backdrop. And so the resort is pretty quiet right now.
So quiet, it's so private, away from like the crazy El Nido town proper that we're staying at. And I honestly want to stay here next time.
I know, we should try and stay here because like
Yeah.
this is the view right now. Oh my god. Yeah, we can't stop talking about this view because like I just love it. Pinagbayutan, it's the best, and it sucks that we can't go there now, so this is the best view you can get of it. Yeah, we really love this first beach, so I guess we're gonna make our way to the second beach.
So we just got here at Marimegmeg spot.
Yep.
So this is our second spot here, and before that you actually get a lot of like shops around here, and there's even McDonald's out the
Yeah.
front, so you cannot miss that spot.
There's McDonald's, there's a lot of massage places, coffee, a cafe,
Gyms.
gyms as well. So this spot is very developed right before you get to Marimegmeg Beach. Like Alex said, that's our second beach, second spot for the day.
Marimegmeg Beach actually is popular among tourists because it has white sand and the views is incredible, obviously.
Look at that.
So you'll find most people come here for sunset actually, and they've got restaurants along the beach as well.
Yeah, look at the water, it's so blue. Oh my
So
goodness.
good.
Alright, for this one, we're actually gonna go in.
A few moments later.
Look who's here. Hey mom, hey Simon. You guys, they got here before us. So they actually stayed home. We got out at like 8 a.m. but they got out around what, 10? Yeah, they left at 10 a.m. They went straight to Marimegmeg Beach, and so we're meeting up here to enjoy this beautiful ocean. Check it out, you guys. Oh my goodness. So blue, the water is so calm, and because of like, there's an island there as well, it's kind of blocking the harsher ocean waves. So it's so calm. Let's go in and let's enjoy this.
Higher than the rain, far from all the voices telling us we can. Higher than the pain.
So we're literally just in the water now.
So nice
It is
here.
so nice.
The sand is soft,
Yeah,
huh?
it's so soft. No wonder a lot of people come here at Marimegmeg Beach, and just the view behind me,
Look at that.
it's so
Ooh.
nice. This is like a pool because there's literally no rocks, no shells, or anything
Yeah.
here.
And the water's pretty
Yeah.
clear. Barely any strong waves because
Yeah.
we've got, you know, those islands blocking the waves, the stronger waves. So this is a perfect spot for
Yeah.
a chill beach day. Why don't we try some food there, huh, along the beach?
Yes, let's go eat. We literally walked for like a few steps, and we
Yeah.
made it here at Marimegmeg Beach Club, which we're gonna have lunch here, I think. So check it out.
Hopefully the menu is good, huh?
Yeah.
I need something refreshing coming from the, you know, the ocean.
We haven't eaten anything today, so it's
And-
time to fuel.
I drank a bit of ocean water as well, you know, just trying to swim, so I need something refreshing. All right, I'm hungry. So what do they have? They've got some finger foods, like deep fried fish sticks, nuggets, I think. Did they say nuggets?
Tacos.
Yeah, tacos. There's sandwiches, like burgers and stuff. Crispy chicken sandwich, salads, pasta.
2 hours later.
Filipino foods as well. Rice bowls. There's vegan, grilled menu, like pork skewers. Oh, there's
really
pizza.
good.
What the heck? There's so much. There's so much to this menu.
And their drink selection is actually pretty good too.
Oh yeah, awesome. So this spot is actually pretty solid. Of course, it's a bit pricey because it's literally right by the beach. This is a beachside resort. You've got the pool here, and look at that. One day, sana all. Hopefully we can stay there one day. But yeah, I think we're gonna order here and we'll wait for my family to catch up to us.
Deja que los cuerpos hablen, no hace falta más. Si ya muy bien tú sabes lo que iba a pasar. Tú me pones la mente a volar.
So to start off our late lunch, we've got an iced latte and an apple mojito. This is actually a mocktail, this one. But yeah, it's almost 1 o'clock. Family's just got here, so let's order some lunch.
A few moments later.
As you can see, Cheno's already eating. His food looks so good. What'd you get?
I got the crispy chicken sandwich, so practically a chicken burger. Super crispy. It comes with wedges and tomato and
Mayonnaise.
mayonnaise.
Looks so good. It's actually massive. Like the serving here is good for two. So he's devouring that. So I got my order now. I have fish tacos, seafood tacos. But yeah, I'm gonna eat.
Que los cuerpos hablen, no hace falta más. Si ya muy bien tú sabes lo que iba a pasar.
So we just finished lunch and it was actually so good. The serving was actually pretty big.
That's right, yeah, mine was pretty big too, so I'm quite full.
So my food was about 400 pesos and I think Cheno's was the same.
Yeah, a little bit pricey
Yeah.
here, but what can you expect? It's beachfront, so you get this incredible view of Marimegmeg Beach. Quite stunning, huh?
So I highly recommend if you're ever in Marimegmeg Beach to visit Marimegmeg Beach Club.
For our third stop, we're here at Leo Beach, which is about a half-hour scooter journey from Marimegmeg Beach to Leo. From the town, I think it's shorter, maybe like
Yeah.
15 minutes.
Yeah.
So this is quite a beautiful spot to watch the sunset. The waves look calm here too, huh?
Yeah, it's actually a bigger beach area than Marimegmeg Beach.
Oh, yeah.
So you get a lot of restaurants here as well, and you get free chairs you can lounge in, which is perfect. If you want to
Yeah.
have a sip, watch the sunset, this is the spot for you.
As you can see, similar to Dolorog, there's a jetty here, but this one's a lot bigger. It's cement as well, and it stretches further out to the sea. So Leo Beach is actually right next to an airstrip. If you want to fly directly from Manila or Cebu to El Nido, you actually land at Leo Beach. So there's an airport right there. However, the flight costs are so expensive, very pricey, so would not recommend.
So we literally just ordered cucumber shake just to like cool down. It's not too hot in El Nido, but we're kind of tired now from going to 2 beaches and then this one
And there's still one more to go.
and one more to go, leaving the best for last.
But we're definitely going in the ocean as soon as we finish this drink. We were actually at Leo Beach in 2019. That was the first time we visited. Even though I've been to El Nido for about 5 times now, it's only the second time I've been here, but look at that. It's so shallow right
So
now.
shallow now.
Actually, for a little while, it's pretty shallow. That's why I'm bringing the camera. But oh my goodness, that sunset, it's starting to, get lower now. It's looking beautiful. The golden hour is looking so nice here at Leo Beach. So
Honestly, like any beach here in El Nido has just a beautiful view because of all the islands, and here at Leo Beach it's one of the nicest beach here in El Nido as well.
I mean, look at the backdrop, you guys. Like, damn. It's looking like absolute paradise here at Leo. And look how far we are now from shore, and it's still like,
It's not even up to our knees yet.
yeah, it's like below knee height, so it's super shallow.
What I love about
What do you think?
what I love about El Nido beaches are there's literally no rocks. No rocks, no shells. So when you're in the water, it won't hurt your feet because the camera.
Oh my lord. Oh man, I really love the dip in the ocean just then because we're like not really battling the waves. So we spent like another 10 minutes without the camera just going for a dip so we can actually enjoy it. But before the sun gets too low,
We're gonna quickly make our way to our last and final stop, which you'll see is our favorite. So we'll go there right now.
Baby, I'm not running from the casualties, 'cause it matters, but it's not bad for me. 'Cause we're
and for our final stop, we are here at Nakpan Beach, our most favorite beach in the
Here.
Philippines.
Yeah, here in
Would you
El
say?
Nido.
In El Nido? I would say in the Philippines.
Actually,
What's your
yes.
favorite?
I don't even know, but Nakpan is definitely on top of my list.
Yeah.
The sunset here, I mean, along this El Nido area, all of the sunsets are beautiful. But here at Nakpan Beach, I don't know why, there's just something about
Something
it.
different
that's
about
just-
it. But we're waiting for the sun to go even lower. We actually want blue hour here. Like the conditions are looking pretty good today, except for the fact that there's a bit of clouds blocking the sun. Regardless, right now, this sunset is, yeah, it's stunning, you guys. You have to come to Nakpan Beach. If there was one beach you have to go to for aesthetics,
Sunset viewing.
for swimming, forget about all the other ones and come to Nakpan Beach.
So here at Nakpan Beach, you can also hire kayaks and quad bikes if you want to go along this beach here, because it's actually pretty vast. And one thing that we see here is they have a massage by the beach.
Yeah, like
I
outside.
think about 500 pesos for an hour.
That's about the same as in
Yeah,
town.
I mean, you have the sound of the ocean when you're having a massage. That's just
Yeah.
perfect.
That's ideal.
Yeah.
On top of all the hills and mountains, I'm not scared to fall from me. When I have your hand in mine, maybe we'll look back and see how dreams from far that we had all that.
Alex the dog whisperer. My goodness. Oh, it's chilly. It's chilly now.
Sunset dips are the best though, so why not do it?
Yeah, cinematic vibes.
We could need to be happy. Maybe we'll look back and see how dreams from far that we had all that we could need to be happy if we can do.
So yeah, we're finally back, and I guess just to recap the day, yeah, what was your favorite beach?
Oh, I genuinely love Marimegmeg Beach just because, I don't know, like it's such a chill spot. The water was so calm,
Yeah,
and
it
then
was.
we had Cheno's family with us, which was nice. And I just remember the first stop,
Yeah.
which was that
I was thinking
beach
about that
we've
too.
been thinking about. of
Dolarog?
going.
Dolarog or Doralo?
Dolarog.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
right. That one is kind of like on the bucket list because
Yeah.
I've seen so many photos. But for me, it was definitely Nakpan Beach. I absolutely love that beach. That's my favorite of all time. I honestly loved our time at Nakpan Beach.
Like there's so many more that we haven't seen and that we know our friends have been before
Yeah,
that they
that's right.
recommended us. But we just couldn't do everything today. We're so tired now actually.
But I hope we can help you a little bit in planning your next trip to El Nido. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, do leave it a like. And don't forget to subscribe while you're at it. We'll see you in the next vlog.
Bye.
Bye.
A mí que más, hay algo en ti que me tiene mal. Sé que anda puesta pa'l come